one of the most essential vegetables ever. Onions are full of vitamins and are used every day in many meals we eat. But not many people know the hidden benefits associated with onions. You can even start reaping its benefits when you are peeling it. Onions are enriched with calories, vitamin B, C, fiber, antioxidants, potassium, calcium, sulfur, iron, and manganese. Benefits of Basic has put together 14 amazing benefits of onions that would surprise you. Did you know that onions can help cure pimples, acne, and even improve your hearing? Keep watching to find out more amazing benefits of this essential vegetable. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join us on the benefits of Basic. Number 1. Healthy digestion. Onion bulbs are packed with nutrients and have great benefits for our health. Contain a fiber called inulin that acts as a great food source in our body. Inulin is a beneficial bacterium that works magically in our intestines and helps for easy digestion of food. Onions also have oligofructose, which helps to prevent and treat a different kind of bacterial disease. It also helps in the treatment of ulcers, constipation, and diarrhea. Eating onions in the form of salad can help to ease digestion and also treat stomach aches and worms. Number 2. Get rid of inflammation and allergies. Onions have flavonoid quercetin that helps for fast digestion and prevents stomach inflammation. People who have sinus issues should eat more onions because it has properties that help drain sinuses without the need for medication. Quercetin helps in nasal congestion too and treats severe stomach allergies. Onions prevent cells from discharging histamine and possess antibacterial properties. It also plays an important role in healing wounds. Quercetin can help you solve issues with blood clots, bronchitis, hay fever, and diabetes. Number 3. Helps clear hearing and ear disorders. Onions can help to cure ear pain and ear ailments. Onion juice can work wonders for ear pain relief. In the 19th century, ear pain was cured with the help of onions. A few drops of onion juice were poured into the ear, which did not just heal the pain, but also cleared the hearing and killed the bacterial infection. Today, mothers and grandmothers are still using this remedy to prevent ear infections and pains. Number 4. Respiratory health. Onions have anti-inflammatory properties and can help overcome allergic rhinitis. It can also help patients with asthma and respiratory illness. Eating onion as a salad or drinking its juice can help you get quick relief and better breathing. Number 5. Better sleep and less anxiety. People who are sleep deprived or have anxiety disorders can use onions. Onions contain prebiotics that help you to sleep better and reduce anxiety. It can improve brain function and induce sleep. Number 6. Reduces pain. Onions are known to reduce swelling and pain. They also work on people who were stung by scorpions or bees. Just use a cotton bud dipped in onion juice on the affected area where you're stung. Even if you have stomach pains, eating onions mixed with vinegar can provide sudden relief. Onion is an external soothing applicant against future bites. It will also increase hunger and help in fast digestion. Number 7. Lowers cholesterol level. According to research at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, red onions can help reduce cholesterol levels. The study also indicates that consuming half an onion can help raise good HDL cholesterol by 30%, while one raw onion daily can reduce high blood pressure. It can also decrease blood clots and improve blood circulation. Now it's time for a quick benefits of Basic fact. Did you know Greece had the world's longest national anthem by lyrics? The Hymn to Liberty, consisting of 158 verses, a poem composed by Dionysios Solomos in 1823, which draws inspiration from the Greek War of Independence. In 1865, the Greek government adopted the first 2 stanzas as the country's official anthem due to the length of the poem. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments section now. Number 8. Increase glutathione. Onions help our bodies to produce glutathione, which is an important antioxidant. Glutathione can help people to ward off different diseases. It plays a crucial role in getting rid of cancer. It also helps to make your heart healthy and eliminates heart disease. Number 9. Get rid of colds and flus. These days, colds and flus are normal. Mild weather change can bring back flus. You can always get help from onions when fighting off mucus. Get rid of flu, sore throat, viral infections, and colds for a while when you start eating onions. Onions contain sulfur compounds and vitamin C that helps us deal with seasonal infections and fever. Number 10. Controls blood sugar. Onion contains allele profil, which can also be called oil of onion. Many people suddenly feel dizziness, weakness, trembling, and are unable to control their body. This indicates the symptoms of low blood sugar. Onion oil works wonders for people who have low blood sugar, as it can control your blood sugar levels. Onion oil can help us in a similar way that insulin does. Number 11. Get rid of hyperpigmentation. People experience physical changes in their bodies during their teenage years. Some suffer from acne, pimples, facial scars, and hyperpigmentation. Women can also experience after effects of pregnancy in the form of melasma, scars, and dark spots. Different medicines are also the reason for dark spots. If you start taking onion juice with vinegar, your skin starts clearing up. You can also chop onions, squeeze out the juice, and put in an equal amount of vinegar. Then, dip cotton buds in it and put them on your face or dark spots for a few minutes. Onions and vinegar help to balance the pH of the skin. Doing this process regularly will get you clean, clear, and brighter skin. Onions also increase blood circulation within our skin tissues while preventing them from infections. Onions can be used as a dressing to treat wounds, boils, and skin irritations. We can also use a tissue dipped in onion juice for dark circles under the eyes. Number 12. Detoxify with onions. Onions aren't only beneficial as a source of food, but can also work as a cleaning agent. We come in contact with metals such as cadmium and mercury. Onions contain methionine, cysteine, and sulfur, and amino acids that play a vital role in detoxification against these metals. These safety precautions can help us prevent greater health damages. Number 13. Prevents cancer. According to the latest study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, one of the most common cancers found in men is prostate cancer that affects the prostate gland. Eating onions can help prevent prostate cancer and urinary infections. It also helps in the prevention of stomach and breast cancer, and also gives amazing health benefits. Drinking 7 grams of onion water every day can prevent urinary infections and boost your hunger. These benefits can strengthen our body and create defensive cells to fight bacteria or cancer cells. Number 14. Gain memory and brain health. As we grow older, we become more susceptible to memory loss. Our ears hurt from loud noise, music, and we maybe develop a bit of aggression. This frustration can lead to anger and mood swings. Onions can help us with these illnesses. It's a great solution for people suffering from Alzheimer's, strokes, or clots in the brain, helping you improve your memory and remembering important things. Onions may have a sour taste, and cutting them hurts our eyes, but their benefits do pay off. Internationally, onions are used regularly in our meals. Billions of tons of onions are used for our health advantages. These numerous benefits show that onions work for almost every part of our body, whether internal or external use. Do you have a special recipe on how to use onions? Tell us in the comments below. Hey, if you found this video enlightening, then give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, what are you waiting for? There are so many cool videos on the benefits of basic. We will be reading through the comments and love seeing the comments from you guys. We hope you enjoyed the video and stay safe on the benefits of basic.